Let's fix it. Fast step, clear Rockstar Game Launcher patch. For this, search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. This page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Rockstar Games. Click Launcher and make sure if you have any catch means you need to delete it. I already deleted. So if you have means you need to delete it. Once complete after close it and come to next step. Right click Rockstar Game Launcher. Go to properties, click compatibility and make sure to run the program as administrator. Should be in enable mode. Click apply and OK. After that, third step, click settings, click network and internet settings, click advanced network setting, click network reset and reset the network. It will reinstall all the network adapters. Click yes and restart. And fourth method, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it and click allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall and click change settings, scroll down and check for Rockstar Game Launcher. If it's not available means you need to click allow another app, click it and click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click, click open file location, copy the address on the top side and come back, paste the address here. You can easily get the application, click it and you have get the application, add it and make sure you should enable in both private and public. Make sure it and click OK. Once complete after the next step, open up browser and search for Rockstar Game Launcher official website. Go to the official website and download it. It's right now it's downloading. Wait for a couple of seconds to download. Once download complete after we need to install it. So click the setup and it start installing. Click it and give the language. Click continue and it successfully setup is completed. After that it's updating. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's complete after we need to log in. If you already have the account means you can log in. If you are new to Rockstar Game Launcher means you need to first give your account, create an account and after you can log in. So this is how to fix it. Thank you.